Hi friends, today I would like to share with you my offline drawing practice pictures. Sometimes I love to draw without any purpose, just lost myself in the creative process. I selected this rabbit theme. I did all these sketches from morning onwards whenever I had some break from my work. After finishing these sketches, I would like to share this next picture with you, so I arranged my camera to shoot. For this I selected different poses of them and tried to create them on my drawing sheet. Today, while sharing these pictures, I would like to tell about an asana named rabbit pose. By doing this asana we can get more health benefits, especially for children. Rabbit pose can help support writing and drawing skills and refining their sensory organization skills, and especially that pose is stretching and developing hand muscles, preparing them for writing and drawing activities. So friends, give a try to teach this rabbit pose to your children. I already did that. Friends, how are my sketches? I like the sketching of cats also. Next time I'm planning to draw the cats and their poses, different poses. They are also cute. These are my sketches for today. I like the sketch of rabbit in the cup. I love that pose. Which one do you like? Please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Friends, these are the sketches for today. How are my sketches? I like the sketch of a rabbit in the cup. I love that pose. Which one do you like? Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Friends, do you know any interesting facts about bunnies? Please share in the comment section below. I am glad to know. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Paint and Talk. Thanks for watching. Happy drawing. Enjoy the process. Bye bye.